Hello and good morning to Food Chemistry by Amrita. After a long time, I will be posting the blog. So today it's a lovely morning, Saturday, weekend. So let's quickly get. So I'm going to make tomato pasta, which is very quick and easy to make, and all the ingredients are available in your kitchen. So quickly, I have boiled the water, so I'm here using penne pasta, so you just put the pasta, let it cook for some time. So here we can see the pasta is getting cooked. You don't have to cook completely, make sure that it is 80% cooked. All right, so coming to our ingredients, I am just using two ingredients. This is 1.5 tomato roughly chopped, and this is 3 to 4 garlic cloves. This we will make the paste and mixture. And for the sauce, here is our ingredient. So I'm using amul butter and red chili flakes, and these are the mixed herbs, and obviously tomato ketchup and some fresh cream. This is optional, you can skip it because cheese is there. So let's begin our actual pasta sauce process. I have taken a box, you can take your choice of vessel. Into this goes nice butter, so amul butter. Time to put garlic, it gives very nice flavor. So our pasta is cooked to 80%. We can turn off the gas here. Now the tomato puree is here, so we will be adding it. Let the tomato puree cook for some time. Looks like the tomatoes are being cooked, and here you can add salt as per your taste. You can also add some amount of red chili powder, but this is optional. Time to put some grated cheese. You can put lots and lots of cheese if you want, guys. Stir is nice. Look at the thickness. Oh my god, lovely. And last step is to put our boiled pasta, let it cook in our sauce for some time. Looks delicious, right? So the delicious tomato creamy pasta is ready to serve. Let's quickly serve it and enjoy. So our pasta is ready, and I hope you enjoyed my recipe. It's quite simple, easy, and with the available ingredients in your kitchen. Oh my god, can't just wait to eat this. Please enjoy this recipe and do try it out. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Good day.